Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Today in this video, we will learn how we can create a separate page for our posts. Like if we want a blogging website and we want all the blogs in one page, then how we can do it. So we will discuss that in this video. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, you have to go to pages and create a new page. Here you can see these are the pages that I have created already. Now I will create blog page. Simple, I will hit add new button and it is asking for the title, so I will write blog only. And I will hit the publish button. Now again hit the publish button and here you can see page is published now. Now I will go to my dashboard. Here you can see I am on my WordPress dashboard and you can see blog pages added in my page. So now what to do so that all the blogs should be visible to this page. First, let me show you. Here you can see the blog is empty. There is no blogs in here because I didn't add posts to this. So what we will do now, we will simple go to our customize section. When I will go to customize section, I will add post to my blog page so that my all posts should be visible to the blogs. For that, we will go to home page settings, and here you can see home page. I have already selected home, and for posts page, I will select blog. And after doing this, you can see third post is published, second post is published, and first post is also published. By doing that, you can see third post is published, second post is also published, and first post is also published. And now what we will do, we will simple publish it so that the changes should be saved. And now I visit the page, you will see that the changes. I will exit from customization and now I will view this page in new tab. And here you can see all these three posts are added. Now let me show you how many posts I have. So simple, I will hit the posts button in my WordPress dashboard and here you can see I have total three posts that are published and one is present in the trash. So it means that three posts are published and all these three posts are visible to our blog page. In this simple way, we can add our posts to the blog so that all the posts are visible in one page. So this was the tutorial. In our next video, we will learn something new. Stay connected. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.